Okay, hey, welcome back to me, back to DJ Tommy G. This is Bandera Night Jams here on 107.1 FM, Olongapo City. All right, and where we left off kanina was at the famous birthdays. That's gonna be next. Celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays day. Check it out, find out who you're sharing your birthdays with. All right, and this is being brought to you by Royal Duty Free. Check out the what they offer. New and better prices on what you buy the most. Okay? All right, and also they would like to thank everybody for a crazy sale weekend. All right? Sabi nga nila, we want to express our gratitude to all of you who made the Royal Crazy Sale successful, from our hardworking staff to the most dedicated customers. And this would not be possible without you all. So maraming salamat from Royal Duty Free Shops, okay? And you bet, new and better prices on what you buy the most at Royal Duty Free. Call them up 2523-258 for inquiries. Visit the official website www.royalsubic.com or visit their official website or official Facebook page, that is Royal. Just look it up. Yun yung search words, Royal Duty Free Shops. Okay? So again, time for today's famous people celebrating the birthdays day. Famous birthday segment for you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Si Kuya Wendell Ramos is one of today's birthday celebrants. Happy birthday to you. He was born August 18, 1978. Larry Alcala, the most, perhaps the most popular editorial cartoonist and illustrator in the Philippines. August 18, 1926. What year did he pass away? I forgot. 2002 pa, no? Matagal na rin, no? Yeah, okay. For those who don't know, si Larry Alcala, siya yung, his works are really popular sa mga, yung mga editorial cartoons niya. Yeah, okay. So, there you have it. Next up, we have Sam YG. Radio personality si Sam YG. Okay. He's one-third of the Boys Night Out. Sikat na sikat yung Boys Night Out na yan, Sa 89.9 Magic. Oh, it's magic. Si Sam YG. Okay. Yung isa sa pinaka-sumikat na karakter niya is si Shebaker, Indian Filipino radio personality. Sumikat ng gusto. Kasama si Tony and Slick Rick. He also became a co-host for Eat Bulaga. That's how popular he became. Alam mo, pag napunta ka sa Eat Bulaga, alam mo na ibig sabihin nun no? Yeah, may narating ka na Ganun yun Okay, so Sam YG, happy birthday to you, August 18, 1987. Next up, we have Filipina actress and singer Nikki Bacolod. Was born August 18, 1989. Let's go to Hollywood this time. Happy birthday to Andy Samberg. He's a funny man. He's an SNL, Saturday Night Live alumni. Andy Samberg turns 47 today. K-pop artist G-Dragon turns 37. TV actress Maya Mitchell turns 32 today. For those who don't know who's Maya Mitchell, she was in the series Mortified and Natasha on Trapped. Okay? She played the role of Callie in The Fosters. Alright? So, familiar na? Hindi pa rin? You guys remember Teen Beach Movie? Tsaka yung After the Dark in 2013? Ayan, there you go. Ang dami ko na binigay na hints, ha? Okay? Next up, we have happy birthday also to Patrick Swayze. All right. Birth anniversary for him because he's been gone since 2009. Ayan, so happy birthday, Kai. Patrick Swayze. He was born 1952, August 18. He passed away in 2009. And movie and TV actor Christian Slater turns 56 today. You know, during his heydays, he is among the heartthrob of Hollywood. Okay? And movie actor Edward Norton turns 56 today. Kilala niyo ba si Edward Norton? Well, he's quite popular, so probably you guys know him. And TV actress Caitlin Olsen. Not Olsen, ha? Iba pa yung the Olsens. This is Olsen. She was in she starred in Fox's The Mick. Alright, she also appeared on the Drew Carey Show. Okay? And next up we have Frances Bean Cobain, who is the daughter of Kurt Cobain. And what's her mom's name? I forgot. Courtney Love. There you go. Okay. Robert Redford turns 89 today. Wow. Okay. And TV actor Dennis Leary turns 68. Dami nagbe-birthday ngayon na well, quite popular, really popular. And movie actress Madeline Stowe, 66 or 67 today. She's still beautiful at 67. Ganda pa rin, ha? Parang hindi 67, ano? Parang 66 lang. Si Madeline Stowe, okay? Alright, so there you have it, celebrities and the like celebrating their birthdays today. You are sharing your birthdays with them, all of you. August 18 birthday celebrants, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
You. Your turn. You guys tell me who's celebrating their birthdays today. Okay, text me up 0910-690-9501. Call or text me up if you want to. Pwede nyo rin i-comment sa ating live video, which is, fuming talaga, fuming right about now. Or the Radyo Bandera hotlines 0920 or 0926-058-3917. Okay? Also 0961-526-7459. Okay? And tuloy-tuloy tayo, balitaan. Okay? Here's the some of the latest piece of news from in and around the city. Okay? Mayor Roland Paulino is one of the other mayors on the list of mayors, who demanded full transparency, accountability, and justice on flood control projects. Mayors for tawag na sa kanila, Mayors for good governance demand full transparency, accountability. There you go. The list of signatories supporting this statement will be updated periodically. Okay. So, ito yung yung nilalaman nun. We, the undersigned mayors for good governance, stand firmly with the Filipino people in demanding the truth, accountability, and justice behind the massive corruption allegations in flood control and other infrastructure projects, including the reported collusion between government officials and favored contractors. Wow, talaga namang grabe, no? Ano yung term na ginamit? Massive corruption. We're talking about billions here, ha? Dati, grabe na yung di ba? Pag may mga nagnanakaw ng 100,000 to grabihan na yan, Naging millions. Billion na ang pinag-uusapan po sa corruption na to. Di ba? In his fourth State of the Nation address last July 28, President si PBBM, ordered the investigation of the 350 billion! Anak ka ng B! Billion! Anak ng B, Ano ba yung mga... what stands for anak ng B? Ano bang pwedeng what stands for anak ng B? Anak ng baluga. Anak ng billion. Worth... nakakasuka. Flood control projects. 350 billion, Mario Josep. Yung 1 billion lang di ba? Ilang eskwelahan na makakapagtayo ka na ng building ng eskwelahan Hindi lang isa. Billion yan Alam niyo ba kung paano makabuo ng 1 billion? Kailangan meron kang 1 million na 1,000 piraso. Ganun. Kung yung 1 million mo, di ba? 1,000 na, 1 billion na yan. Di ba? 1 million, 2 million, 3 million. 900 million, 930 million, 950 million, and so on. 998, 999. Tamo ha? 999 million. Dadagdagan pa ng 1 million, 1 billion na. Ganun. Ganun kalaki yan. Meron kang 1,000 na tagwa 1 million. Grabe, no? Or 10 tagwa 100 million equals 1 billion. 350 billion to. Anak ka ng... Grabe. Grabe ha. Kumukulo, nakakakulo ng dugo, no? Pati talagang kaibuturan. Ang hirap tagalugin, anak ng tinapay, oh. Napapamura ka talaga eh, no? Yung kaliit-liitang parte ng dugo mo kukulo eh, yung red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, yung gamma. Yan, gamma ba 'yon? Basta yung mga parte-parte ng dugo mo. Templates, 'di ba? May templates tayo, 'di ba, sa dugo, no? Buisit. 350 billion, anak ka ng tinapay ka. Oo. Ay. Laking parte na ng budget natin 'yan eh, no? Kinurakot. Grabe kayo, grabihan kayo. Samantalang kaming mga nagtatrabaho sa, ako ay mag-government employee aside from doing radio, pinagtsatsagaan namin. Mahal namin trabaho namin eh. Pinagtsatsagaan namin kung ano yung binibigay sa amin ng gobyerno na pasahod. Kung ano lang yung meron, pinagkakasya. Di ba? Hindi kami nagnanakaw. Hindi ko nila lahat kasi may kilala ako, nagnanakaw pa rin talaga meron eh. Nung trinay ko ngang i-expose, hinarang ako ni Kumare eh. Yung Kumare mas mataas. Diba? Yung experience na yun, it made me realize na alam niyo yung KKK? Yung unang K, kumpare or kumare. Pangalawa, kaibigan, kadikit. Pangatlong K, kamag-anak. Yan. Pag hindi ka KKK, ay, patay ka. Doon ko na patunayan na kahit tama yung ginagawa mo, ini-expose mo yung pagnanakaw, pandurugas, yung nauunang pansariling interes. Kung hindi ka KKK, nako, tae ka pa rin. It's true. Akala ko nga sa movie lang nangyayari yung ganun, no? Yung bida, magmamalasakit. So, i-expose niya yung pandurugas, pagnanakaw sa gobyerno. Syempre, bida yun eh. Kailangan makakuha ng emosyon sa mga nanonood, di ba? So, ang mangyayari, aapihin siya. Dahil tinatry niya i-expose yung pandurugas pagnanakaw, yung kaaway niya, yung villain, kamag-anak, kaibigan, kumpare, nung nasa taas. Syempre, siya pa ngayon yung mapapasama, di ba? Di sisidhi yung damdamin ng mga nanonood pag gano'n, di ba? Kaya yun, bida ako. Ang kalaban si Jabba the Hutt. Kamukha eh. Di ba paring Bugs, kamukha . Pero yung Romescue, yung kumare, maganda, ganda yun, maganda. Kung ano yung ginanda ng mukha, yun yung sinama ng ugali. Yun yung pinangit ng ugali. Di baling nagnanakaw ka, di baling nandurugas ka sa gobyerno, pera ng gobyerno. Basta kumpare kita, sagot kita. Ganun ang bagsakan. Diba? Ewan ko, ba't nabigyan ng ganyang posisyon? Diba? Hindi naman marunong. Mabalik tayo dito sa kumukulo kasi yung dugo ko dito sa corruption na to na 350 billion worth of flood control projects. Bakit kabi-kabila pa rin ang bahaan? Yung baha, sa ibang lugar, yung baha, dinadaanan lang sila eh. Tayo, tinatambayan pa tayo. Di ba? Parang yung problema, di ba? Sabi, wag mong tambayan yung problema, daanan mo lang. Eh, sa ibang lugar, ganun eh. Dinadaanan lang sila ng baha. Tayo, tinatambayan tayo. Kita niyo yung Bulacan, kahit wala ng ulan, baha pa rin. Anak ng Bulacan, oh. Oh, yun na. Ito, nag-pledge yung mga butihing mayor. Kasama ang ating mayor, Roland Paulino Jr. sa mga nanumpa, sa mga signatory na magde-demand, susuporta sa full transparency, accountability, and justice on flood control projects. Yan. I'm also big on justice kasi kami dito sa Radyo Bandera, we are advocates of anti-crime and corruption. And injustice, ibig sabihin din nun, di ba? We are VACC, Volunteers Against Crime and Corruption. Di ba? Kasama na rin yung injustice dyan. Yan. Kaya, kung minsan napapansin nyo, parang may pinaglalaban ako lagi, no? Kasi I hate injustice eh, di ba? Hindi tama yan eh. Yung hustisya, dapat pantay-pantay yan. Kaya nga si Lady Justice, di ba, yung may hawak na timbangan, nakapiring yung mukha. Wala dapat tinitingnan, walang nakikita. Pantay-pantay lahat, patas. O, ganun yung nangyari sa akin. Si Lady Liberty, hindi nakapiring yung sa akin. O, nakatingin doon sa sa villain na si Jabba the Hutt. Nandoon yung pagtingin. Kaya ikaw na kahit maraming nagawa, maraming naging contribution, yun. Injustice yun. Kaya huwag kayo papayag sa injustice, ha. Lalabanan nyo. Kung hindi nyo man makuha yung hustisya sa kilalagyan nyo, go find it somewhere else. Meron yan. As long as wala ka talagang ginagawang mali, ikaw yung nasa tama, fight for justice. Ganun yan, ha? Okay? And syempre, yung signatories, ito, pinangunahan ni Mayor Benji Magalong ng Baguio City, Vico Soto ng Pasig, Joy Belmonte ng Quezon City, si City ha, nandito. Isabela City Basilan. Si City Hataman. Ayan. Mayor Mike Orayani ng Lubong, Occidental Mindoro, Miguel Decena ng Enrile Cagayan, Webster Letargo, Gumaca Quezon, Ogie Suwayan, Candelaria Quezon, Orlan Calayag, Dolores Quezon, Mayor Lench Paulino, ito nga, nasa listahan, Olongapo City, Eduardo Villanueva Jr., Bukawi, Bulacan, Edre Luisa Colange ng Mabuhay, Zamboanga, Sibugay. Wow! Kalain mo sa Zamboanga, Sibugay pala, may lugar na ang pangalan ay Mabuhay! Diba? Wow! Taga saan ka? Mabuhay! Ang saya-saya. Nakakatuwa, na nakatira ka sa ganun. Taga saan ka? Mabuhay! Paano kung nandoon ka halimbawa, sa sementeryo ng Mabuhay? Mabuhay pa rin, cemetery. Si Roberto Uy Jr., Liloy, Zamboanga del Norte, Michael Demp, Naga, Dimasalang, Masbate, Romeo Amorado, Majayjay. Unique name na naman, Majayjay, Laguna. Gary Pinzon, Luna, La Union, Mayor Gerald Peña, San Jose Camarines Sur, and Vice Governor Lita Aquino, Province of Tarlac. May naligaw na Kala ko ba mga mayors to? Parang league ng mga mayors na lumalaban sa But may vice mayor. But natanong lang. But anyways, it is what it is. Mas maganda kung lahat, hindi lang mayor, lahat tayo dyan. Kaya lang, nakakatawa lang yung di ba sabi, natawa ako dun sabi, na, yung corruption daw sa flood control. Wala pa, natatawa na ako Iimbestigahan daw sa camera Di ba? Alam niyo ba kung saan yung camera? Alam niyo na, di ba? Sino ba yung mga involved sa Sino ba majority ng mga involved sa sa flood control project na corruption na to? Di ba? Hindi ko nilalahat, pero di ba karamihan, di ba? Parang naisip ko, ang tawag doon parang cannibalism, no? Parang eating your own, di ba? Sabi nung camera, imbestigahan namin yan, ang korupsyon na nangyari na pinangungunahan ng mga Kamara de Representante din. Kami rin yun, yung imbestigahan. So kung kayo rin yun, ano sa tingin mo mangyayari sa investigasyon? Nga. Ngak-ngak. Sorry. Naghang. Natuwa lang ako eh. Parang siya nga eh. Cannibalism eh. No?